Good morning, sir. To the auspicious occasion of Thinking Day celebration, we welcome you to Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 Cuttack, sir.
Thank you.
Color party, सावधान! Color party, विश्राम! Color party, सावधान! सामने से धीरे चलेंगे, धीरे चल!
वेलकम। मैं श्रीमान मानस रंजन दर्जी सर से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि वो प्राचार्य महोदय को स्कार्फ देकर उनका सम्मान करें। क्लैप गो। साधन है साधन विश्राम
विश्राम सावधान। प्रार्थना शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारी आत्मा में सुखता देना। हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ। अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर। हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारा कर्म हो सेवा, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा। सदा ईमान हो सेवा, व सेवक चल बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना। वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना।
ध्वज लीडर चल दो। सैल्यूट। जैसे थे
झंडा ऊंचा सदा रहेगा, ऊंचा सदा रहेगा झंडा।
त्रिदल बंद विस्तृत मातृभाव फैलाता, त्रिदल कमल नित तीन प्रतिज्ञाओं की याद दिलाता, और चक्र कहता है प्रतिपल आगे कदम बढ़ेगा, ऊंचा सदा रहेगा झंडा, ऊंचा सदा रहेगा, भारत स्काउट गाइड झंडा ऊंचा सदा रहेगा।
आज का सुविचार वैष्णवी के द्वारा। आज के सुविचार में दूसरों को मदद करते वक्त यदि दिल में खुशी हो तो वो सेवा है, बाकी सब दिखावा है। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।
Is within you and inspires you to put forth your best. A very good morning to one and all. This is Purnima of class 9, and as we know, today is the occasion of World Thinking Day, the birth anniversary of Lord Baden-Powell and Lady Baden-Powell. Now it's time for the motto of Scouts and Guides, which is the identity of Scouts and Guides. So let's call Miss Tuti of class 9 for motto.
Motto is to be prepared. This is achieved by mentally awake, morally straight and physically strong.
On their honor. So for the Scout and Guide promise, let's invite Joy Prasad Dash of class 9.
Position.
On my honor, I promise that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people and to obey Scout law.
Guides law.
Order.
9 parts of the law. A Scout Guide is trustworthy. A guide is loyal. A guide is friend to all and a sister to every other guide. A guide is courteous. A guide is friend to all animals and loves nature. A guide is disciplined and helps to protect public property. A guide is courageous. A guide is thrifty. A guide is pure in thought, word and deed. It seems that the energy level of our Scout and Guide is decreasing. A yell is a cheer used by scouting and other groups to show their enthusiasm and spirit. So moving on to make this program more interesting, let's welcome Ms. Palak Pratyasha for yell.
इस तरह से ही उसका रिपीटेड लाइन बोलना है। तो मैं बोलूँगी ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, तो आपको उसी तरह से ही उसके बाद वाला लाइन बोलना है। स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स आर सुपरस्टार।
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
जोर से बोलो.
थैंक यू।
On this auspicious occasion, I am here to tell something about World Thinking Day. World Thinking Day is celebrated annually on 22nd February by all Scouts and Guides around the world. Most recently, World Association of Girl Guide and Girl Scout has selected an important international issue as a theme for each year World Thinking Day. This year, the theme is Stand Together for Peace. Scouts and Guides use this as an opportunity to study and appreciate other countries and cultures and equally increase awareness and sensitivity on global concerns. 22nd February was chosen as it was the birthday of Scouting and Guiding founder Lord Baden-Powell and Lady Olive Baden-Powell. In 1926, the 4th Girl Scout International Conference held at Girl Scout of United States Camp Edith Macy, the conference delegate highlighted the need for special International Day, when Girl Guide and Girl Scout would think about the worldwide spread of Girl Guide and Girl Scout around the world, giving them thanks and appreciation. In 1999, our 30th World Conference held in Ireland, the name was changed from Thinking Day to World Thinking Day in order to emphasize the global aspect of this special day. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy and have a nice day.
Cut.
Thank you Ms. Somia for this information. Now I request our respected principal sir to bless us on this occasion.
To all of you,
Good morning, sir.
dear Scouters and Guiders, and your Scouts masters and guide captains and all other leaders of the Scouts and Guide and my dear other teachers. Today we are celebrating the Thinking Day because it is the birthday of Lord Baden-Powell, who is the founder of the Scouts and Guides. And this occasion, because every year we are celebrating, and it is the one thing I always like to hear also, the word be prepared. This is a line here, commanding voice. Always it is resounding in our heart and also in the heart of the students. So this is very, very important, be prepared. So this is the year to be prepared ourselves for all challenges to be faced, because due to this pandemic situations and all over the world, everything is going very slow. In all the activities, we are not able to conduct in the offline mode. Physical presence is also it is restricted, and a very limited number of participations in every field, and through online mode also we are performing. And in this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank our all the students, the Scouts and Guides students also, those who are coming forward and doing all sorts of work. And recently also this Tritiya Sopan testing camp conducted. Many of our students participated. They succeeded in this testing camp. So I hope that our students will always be prepared to face the challenges, to help others. They will be loyal, strong, physically and mentally strong, to help the others, not only the human personalities, rather we are also here to take care of all the animals, and also to plant the trees to save the world from the global warming. These are the challenges we are facing, and to save also the water. This is also one important part in our life. So in the coming days, whatever the crisis we will face, or whatever the problems we will face, we should face with a commitment, a kind of thinking we should have in our mind to find the solutions. So this is very, very important. Nowadays, particularly, it is the responsibilities of the Scouts and Guides, including the Scout masters, guide captains, including the team leaders, including also the principals, to see how we will manage the time, how the crisis will be managed, and how we will proceed with all challenges to achieve our target. So on this auspicious occasion, again, I would like to wish all our students to be energetic and loyal to others, and be ready to help others during the difficulties. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, clap, girls!
Thank you. Inspiring words. And thank you to all the teachers for believing in me and giving me this golden opportunity. Now I'd like to call Anita ma'am for a vote of thanks.
सभी को सुप्रभात. Respected Chief District Commissioner of Bharat Scout and Guide, Bhubaneswar Division, Sriman Tripathi sir, our Scout Guide Masters and Guide Captains, and our energetic Scouters and Guiders. Today, we as a team in the Scout and Guide movement, we are thankful that we are in this team to serve our nation and the world at large. Scouting and guiding is not confined to any organization or any movement only. It is a worldwide movement to spread love, peace, brotherhood, and the other services that is friendly to the environment as well as humanity. So we are thankful as a team to Bharat and Scout Guide and all the members, which includes all the members who support this movement and come forward to serve the nation. Yes, it is a voluntary movement. Of course, the service must come voluntarily inside our heart. It never comes forcefully. Nobody can compel you to serve others. I think and I hope our scouters and guiders must have that enthusiasm and that value and that virtue to serve others, to be disciplined, to loyal, to be environment friendly, to kind to animals. Though this is the law of Lord Baden-Powell, but in our Indian culture, it is also very much there in the Vedic culture, and from the Vedic culture to the school culture, it is very much present there. So it is just a modification, or you can say just a repeat of that values. So I thank all of you, and I thank us, all of us as scouters and guiders. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind.
Special clap goes!
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। अर्रहमानी रहीम इन्ना ताइन्ना कल कौथार फसलीली रबिका वनहार इन्ना चनिया का हुआल अवतार अमीन। सतनाम करता पुरख निर्मोह निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सेवम गुरु प्रसाद जप आड़ सच जुगाड़ सच है भी सच नानक हो सभी सच। सोचे सोच न हो वही जो सोच लख बार चुप्पे न चुप हो वही जे लाई हर लगतार उखिया पूरक न उतरे जे बहने पूरिया पार सहसे आपा लखवो है ता एक ना चले नाल के वे सचिया रागुए के वे कूड़े टुटे पाल हुकुम रजाई चलना नानक लिखिए नाल। Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be the name. The kingdom come, Thy will be done on the earth as it is heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive trespasses, and we forgive those who trespasses against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Someday, oh deep in my heart, I do believe that
वगैरह।
सभी धीरे धीरे